All right, so everybody has these homes here. Now they're like D.R. Horton or Ryan homes. Some of them are ranch. Some of them have a second story on them, but they all have these back porches. And so what we do, we come in here and screen them off. So as you can see at the next house, it's just wide open when you buy a home. And they don't give you this as an option, so we come in and take care of it. This system is made by Westbury. It's called a screen rail system. The doors from Westbury as well. So these are 100% powder coated aluminum railings here. Same thing with here and the post in the middle. These don't have to be support posts, so they're 2x2s. But basically, you know, we come in and we put this maintenance-free aluminum up with the no-see-ums net, which means those little tiny bugs can't get in to get you. And then here again we have the rails for the pets. And so inside we also put in a fan instead of the little recessed light that was there. But so it's a pretty clean system. It's kind of hard to see, but this bug's trapped in here already, and we just put the screen up. So, you know, when you're inside and you're sitting down, the screen is not very visible, even though it stops the tiniest of insects. So this is just another project style that we do for our customers. You can give us a call, like this, share it, subscribe. Again, this is Dillon Contracting, screened in porch number 800. Thanks for watching.